Hello, we're looking at the Fisher MT-32, and this is a really good turntable. Actually, I have replaced the cartridge and stylus with this Stanton cartridge and the belt. You get your 45 adapter. Semi-automatic. It sounded really good. We'll play a song. It works really well. Unfortunately, I don't have the dust cover for it, but it's a great little turntable. It's very light, and we'll put some on. Hopefully, something that won't be scratched up. And let's see. And oops. Plug it in. And turn the receiver. Stuff like that. Okay. Now, we are good to cue. Bring it over. Oops, unlock the lock. The lock's there. It's not broken or anything. Turn it on. Drop it. Too fast. 10:45. Here's your speed selection. It's a great turntable, so if anyone just wants a basic plain turntable that isn't a Crosley, this is good. Oh, reject. Since it is semi-automatic, it will go off at the end of the record or if you press the reject button. Hope you like it, hope you love it, hope you buy it. Thank you.